Okay, everybody, look. It's a dart tornado, no, a dart hurricane. And look how fast it can beat a 45 BAD. Like, I spent so long doing this. Kaboom. Look at this. Just going so... Like, it's already almost dead. And look at the middle. Imagine being a little balloon. Like, no balloon leaves alive.
It's basically just the thing when Dialga in Pokemon uses like space-time roar on a little Turtwig.
Like, look at that. It's gone. It did. Also, I just got this guy recently. This is Benjamin, and what I'm talking about recently is, I got DJ. Yeah.
Oh wait, you got the skin for Benjamin a bit ago?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Forgot.
Now we both have a skin for our man.
Yep. Oh, whoops. Wait, you can take a picture while taking a video? That's sick. Sorry, that's, wasn't originally able to do that, but, time to watch them all die. That was majestic. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's not much. Please hit the subscribe button. Here's another...
Cringe!
Here's my, channel, and then here is my not my most recent, this time it's gonna be a little BT6 secret. Not much, but hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, peace.